Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's having a really great morning. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about a lotion that I love by Bodycology. And one of the things I love about it so much is the packaging, besides the fact that it's a really great product. So this is Bodycology Pretty in Paris Moisturizing Body Cream with Rich Butter Complex. Its net weight is 8 ounces or 227 grams. I actually got this as a stocking stuffer last year, and I kind of just realized now that I had it, and I brought it to take into work with me because my hands are starting to get so dry from the cold. And I was like, oh, I was just so excited to use it again because it's just such a pretty packaging and it smells delicious. So I have never been to Paris before. It's one of the places I've always wanted to go. It has like the little stamp on it and France symbol. It's pretty light that I guess they have in Paris, and it's in pink and black, and I think it's so pretty. I love that about it. Flip over to the back. So it says Bodycology Romantic, say bonjour to a whirlwind romance with a seductive bouquet of French jasmine, clementine, and warm vanilla musk. For daily rejuvenation, smooth over skin, giving special care to dry or rough areas to enjoy long-lasting hydration. Formulated with a rich butter complex containing shea, cocoa, and jojoba butters, this luxurious cream penetrates skin to leave it feeling soft for hours. Beneficial ingredients: shea, cocoa, and jojoba butters, vitamin E, and aloe vera. Warning: for external use only, use only as directed, keep out of reach of children. Ingredients: water, aqua, stearic acid, saprylic, capric, triglyceride, isopropyl palmitate, glycerol stearate, SE, glycerol stearate, fragrance, perfume, glycerin, shea butter, theobroma cacao, cocoa seed butter, Simondicia Kensis jojoba butter. Sorry guys, I'm struggling with some of these words here. Aloe vera, leaf juice, cetyl alcohol, dimethicone, carbomer, xanthan gum, sodium EDTA, sodium hydroxide, and those two I won't even try to pronounce. They contain red 4, yellow 5, yellow 6, blue 1, red 33, violet 2, and green 3. Very important for me. This product is not tested on animals, which I think is great. I try to purchase products that are not tested on animals for sure. Made in the USA, and their website is www.bodycology.com. Bodycology is a registered trademark of Advanced Beauty Incorporated, distributed by Advanced Beauty Incorporated in Dallas, Texas, 75240. And there's a little barcode on the back. So also what I really like about this lotion is a lot of times you'll buy body creams or lotions and they're watery, and you feel like it's most of the lotion is water, and then it's not really doing its job, which is supposed to be to moisturize your skin. So I like that this lotion is thick and it really does the job, especially in knees, elbows. For me in particular, in the webs of my fingers. I don't know if you could see it now, because I did put lotion on before I went to bed last night, but these areas get cracked, and I'm really bad. Sometimes I just forget to put on gloves before I leave the house, because you're in the warm house, and then you go outside and you're oh my god, I should have put gloves on because my skin is getting chapped and it's cold out. So it's always good any time of year, but especially in the winter, to really keep yourself, keep your hands and your skin moisturized. So I could definitely smell the cocoa butter and lotion. It smells wonderful. Just wanted to put a little bit on my skin so you guys could see what it looks like. But it's very easy to just take the top off and it snaps back on, and just squeeze a little bit out. Really easy. It has a pretty pearl color too. I'm rubbing it in my skin a little bit so you guys could see. It feels literally your skin feels like silk after you're done rubbing this in. Obviously I didn't rub it in all the way. I just want to show you guys the color. You can see it's pearly and iridescent looking. So I'm just rubbing the rest in. And my skin already feels more moisturized and luminous and everything from using this product. And I love the smell. It's not too much, but it's not too light. It's just the right amount of scent, and Definitely smell some of the cocoa butter and like aloe vera, and it smells very soothing and very, very pleasant. So guys, this was Bodycology Pretty in Paris Moisturizing Body Cream with Rich Butter Complex. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. See you later.